Um, my name is Keke Faitua, and I am the youngest and the only girl of 5 siblings. I was named after my grandmother, my dad's mom. Before I share a few words about that, I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I moved to New Zealand with my mom in 2008 for my brother Leo's 21st birthday. I was just 11 years old at the time. And it never really crossed my mind that it will be the first and last time I will see my dad. When Mom returned to Samoa, I remember seeing the rest of the family crying, but I didn't fully understand why. I was just excited and curious about my new surroundings. I was adopted by my uncle Inosa and Auntie Betty, my dad's brother and his wife. I spent most of my childhood years here in New Zealand. Although I kept in touch with my parents back in Samoa, I never had the chance to develop the close father-daughter relationship that I would have loved to have with him. But despite the distance, my dad was always a constant present in my heart. He was a humble man. A quiet yet strong man. To Mom, he was her rock. To Mom, he was her rock and love. To us, his children, he was a dedicated and amazing father. All he ever wanted was for his children to be happy and to get along. Whenever there was a whalavelave, a church need or a village gathering, Dad was always the first to reach out to his kids asking for support. Whether it was a small contribution or just a helping hand, he was sure we were involved, reminding us of the importance of family. He worked tirelessly to build a strong foundation, not only for his children, but for the entire family. The last few months I spent The last few months has been caring for Dad. Will always be made the decision to leave my job and decided to dedicate my time helping him through his illness. Looking back, I would never change that decision. During those months, I saw both the good times and those moments. Watching Dad endure pain, but also feeling the love and strength he carried within him. Though it was incredibly difficult, I came to terms with the fact that when it was Dad's time to go, I had the strength to let him go. I have peace in knowing that I have a solid support system around me. One of the things my dad always wished for us was that no matter what life brings, we, his children, should look after Mom and be there for one another. He wanted peace, love, and unity for us all, even on his final day. Dad. Dad, I love you so much. You are not just a father to us, but a father to so many. You will be dearly missed by Mom, your children, grandchildren, families, and friends. May you rest in peace, Dad. Thank you.